Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Realme phone sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title guys how can we disable silent mode setting in a Realme phone, and how can we remove silent mode icon on our screen. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will turn on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone device. So fine, we will click on sound and vibration setting guys. You can see guys your Realme phone sound and vibration guys, tap here and then scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of settings. So when you will have to click on guys your sound mode setting, and friends you can see your silent mode guys, we will click on this ringing mode. So friends, your silent mode will disable and guys this icon will remove on your screen. When you can use your ringtone and notification volume without any problem. So like that guy we can disable silent mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to disable silent mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.